I saw the tornado coming. I yelled for my wife to come look at it. It's cool. Kid, wife, come look at it. Started getting close, hit the trees, and we all started going for the hallway. Didn't even make it there in time. Started doop doop, and I heard a piece of glass crack, and it sucked the whole roof off, and I felt the thing suck me up, and I grabbed my kid and my wife and hunkered down. Oh, yeah. Tornado damage here at Fort Myers. Big poles down, house is damaged. Gas station canopy destroyed. House is damaged here. Tornado damage right here, guys.